The babies just don't know where their mama went. Hey. Paprika's over here climbing up my arm. Come on, Paprika. I know. Tarragon couldn't care less. Could you, buddy? What are you eating? How do you find litter? Mm-hmm. I know. Okay, Mama's not ready to come back yet. It's nice to hear from you, Tarragon. Tarragon's up. Tarragon's the fattest of the bunch. Paprika, are you throwing a fit? Mm-hmm. I know. Oh my goodness. Mama Kitty. Mama Kitty. Your kittens want you. Go ahead, Mama. They've been looking for you. She's not sure if she wants to be back yet. Okay, Saffron, that's rude. Stop tackling your sister. It's incredibly rude. Hey. Why are you pinned? Excuse me, Saffron. Come on out. Your mama's back. No, don't pin yourself in there again. The kitten's eyes are starting to do a little bit better, but I'm still having to open them at least once a day because they get kind of caked shut. And Mama slightly doesn't trust me whenever I have to give her eye drops, so we'll work on that. Come on. Go with your mom. Go with your mom. Where are you going, Rosemary? Where are you going? There we go. All back together.